Tired of fumbling for your wallet every time you want to make a purchase? Apple Pay offers a quick, easy, and secure way to pay with your iPhone or Apple Watch. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple steps to enable Apple Pay on your device. Let's get started. Step 1 is opening the Wallet app, which comes pre-installed on your iPhone. It's the app with the colorful card stack icon. Once inside the Wallet app, tap the plus sign in the top right corner to start adding a new card. If you haven't used Apple Pay before, this is where the magic begins. Now, you'll see two options: credit or debit card and transit card. For this tutorial, we're adding a regular debit or credit card, so select that first option. Here, Apple will ask you to select a bank where you have your account. Apple Pay makes this really easy. You can either hold near the chip of the card or manually enter the details if you prefer. After a second, Apple Pay will automatically grab the card number and expiration date. Next, depending on your bank or card provider, you might be asked to verify your card. This could be done through a text message, email, or a quick call. Just follow the prompts and you'll be all set. Now that your card is set up, it's time to give it a test. To do this, double-click the side button on your iPhone and hold it near a contactless payment terminal. Your iPhone will authenticate using Face ID or Touch ID, and you're done. And that's it. You've now set up Apple Pay on your iPhone. It's a fast, secure, and easy way to pay in stores, online, and in apps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.